Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giant. In this video, we'll learn how to add watermark to your CapCut videos. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you've opened CapCut, you're gonna need a green screen image from Google. Now type down the name of the channel or the text that you want as a watermark. And now save it. After that, select a media in which you want to put on the watermark. Once you've added your content, click overlay and then the photo with your channel name on it with the green screen. Now scroll along the toolbar and then select the cutout option. Now select the chroma key. Now pick the green color from the color picker and now set the intensity and shadow to 100. Once you're done, tap the check mark at the bottom right. Now go back and scroll through the toolbar and select the opacity option. Now decrease the opacity to the point where it's only visible slightly so it seems more like a watermark. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. So with this, you'll be able to now create watermark for any of your videos. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.